Hey everyone, it's Tuesday, and as promised, I'm going to do a quick tutorial for rounding. I know my last tutorial for rounding did not get a lot of views, so tell all your friends and family who are interested in love rounding numbers to watch my video. So here we go. We're going to go a little bit harder today. We're going to go with a 6-digit number. We're going to go up to the 100,000s place. So we're going to round the number 223,491. So let's just look at this number and talk place value first. First, let's start, and we know that the 1 is sitting in the ones place, so it's just worth 1. The 9 sits in the tens place, which means that its value is 90. The 4 is in the hundreds place, which means that it is worth 400. The 3 is in the thousands place, which means it is worth 3,000. Then the first 2 there, that's in the 10,000s place, and that is worth 20,000. And then the value of that other 2 is 200,000 because it's sitting in the 100,000s place. So for today, we're going to round this number to the nearest 10,000. That's why I underlined that 2. I found the 2 there and underlined it because it's sitting in the 10,000s place, and that's where I want to round that to today. So to round numbers, we learned how to round them using a number line. So when I look at this number, I have to really look and focus on that 10,000s place. And I know that the 2 is in there right now, so it's either going to stay at 20,000, it's going to be closer to 20,000, or it could round up to the next highest thousands place, which would be 30,000. So I'm going to make sure that I'm focusing on that 10,000s place. And on this side of my number line, I am going to write 220,000 because it could be closer to that on a number line. And then on the far end, I'm going to go up to 230,000 because maybe 223,491 is closer to 230,000. It depends on where it falls within the number line. So notice, everything after the 10,000s place, or maybe I should say before that, all turned into a 0 because we're rounding. And when we round, we work with zeros because they're easier to work with. And then everything before it in the 100,000s place, that's just going to stay the same because we're only looking at the 10,000s place when we're doing this rounding problem because that's where I decided we were going to round to. So the next step would be to find that midpoint. Now, think about this. What number is halfway between 220,000 and 230,000? If you guessed 225,000, you are correct. That is going to be halfway between those two numbers on a number line. Now, here's the fun part. We have to figure out which side 223,491 falls on. Does it fall between 220,000 and 225,000? Or does it fall between 225,000 and 230,000? What do you think? Well, I see that 223 is less than 225. So I know that it is going to fall on this side of my number line. I'm just going to draw an arrow there because I'm running out of space. So if we look at this from left to right, so I'm going this way. This is going to be 220,000, 223,491, 225,000, 230,000. And because that 223,491 falls closer to 220,000, this number rounded to the nearest 10,000s is 220,000, not 230,000. So that is how we use a number line to round. I will continue to do these tutorials for you. That was a little more challenging today with the 6 digits, but thank you for listening and get those views up. Bye, guys.